Hi, in this video, I will be covering the expert dashboard of the Panther platform. I'll be doing three videos to explain the expert dashboard. In this first video, I will be explaining the home section, the chat section, and the view booking section. So let's come to the home section first. As an expert, it is mandatory for you to upload a listing in order to provide any sorts of services on the platform. Apart from posting a listing, you are also required to set up your online payments. Only once you add your account details, only then you will be able to receive the payments that you will be receiving through the consultations on the platform. So once you click on it, you will be able to you have the option to add your own account. You can choose the account in which you want the payment to come in. Uh, these payment gateways depend on the payment gateways that have been configured from the admin's end. So it is not configurable on the expert's end. You can choose to add any of the account details, whether it is in PayPal, Stripe, or Pagar.me. Once these payments are set up, you will be able to receive payments. You can also see the payouts history by going to the manage section, which I will be covering in the upcoming videos. You can see how much amount has been paid out to you for the consultations that you have been giving on the platform. So this is all about online payments. Here's a quick dashboard for the quick links that will be beneficial for the expert. Here is the support option wherein the expert can get in touch with the admin, and he can seek any sort of consultation, or he can speak to the admin directly. uh, this is the profile link wherein this is a shareable link, and you can share it with any of the customers and they will directly land to your profile. This is the option, or this is the link to share the packages. If you have made any, clicking on this link, the customer will directly land to your packages, and he or she can buy whichever package is suitable for them. Apart from this, here's a quick dashboard for your payments. You can see how many payments you have received till now. The payments have been bifurcated on the month of basis, on the basis of month, this month and the previous month. Here you can see the graphical representation of the payments. These are the response rate, or how much is your response rate, how many chats you have received till now as an expert, how many unread messages do you have, or how many active chats do you have. So this is a quick dashboard to check your payments as well as your chats. Coming to the chat section, in this particular section of the dashboard, you will be able to see all the chats that are coming in from any of the users who you are interacting with as an expert. Uh, this, uh, this is where you can see if this chat has been assigned to you. From this option, you can close the chat. From this option, you can uh, get in touch with the customer through an audio call. This is the option for a video call, and these are several other configurations in the chat that you can use while interacting with the customer. This is the option for a text message. If you want to uh, put in an internal note for the admin's reference, you can put it here. This internal note will not be visible to the customer. These are some saved replies. If you have any, if you don't want to repeatedly type the same message again and again, you can save it in the replies, and you can straight away share the reply once, in case of repetitive messages. This is the bot you can use. This is the option to request payment through in chat option while interacting with the customer. If the customer asks for a service and you want to charge for that service, this is how you'll be able to do so. You can simply click on this link and request payment from the customer. This is to send an e-form that it is again configurable from the admin end, and this is the option to add an audio or a video meeting. So you can get in touch, you can have an audio video meeting from here, or you can uh, click on this option to start a meeting as well. These are some smileys that you can use, GIFs, and this is to record your voice and send it to the customer. You can also filter the chats on the basis of email or comparison, or you can also sort the chats on the basis of date, people, how many open chats you have, how many closed chats. So these are some filters that you can use in the chat section. In the view booking section, you will be able to see all the bookings that are coming in to you as an expert. So the bookings that have been completed will have the tag of completed, and any upcoming bookings will show up with the tag of upcoming. So that's pretty much all for the first section of the expert dashboard. Please keep an eye on the following videos that I will be doing for the expert dashboard. Thank you.